Good morning, one and all. How are you? Welcome to Layla Academy. Print advertisements and various elements. Print media advertising, Unit 1. Today we are going to learn elements of print advertising message, and preparing an effective ad copy, copywriting elements of print copy, headline, illustration, body text, slogan, logo, and seal of approval. We are also learning the qualities of good copywriter, qualities of effective copy, types of copy. In these types of copy, we are going to learn institutional reason why copy, human interest copy, suggestive and expository copy. Elements of print advertising. The object of the study. Here, the basic object of the study, if we observe the various elements of an advertisement, the importance of each element is enhance the quality of an ad, creating an objective, focus on your objective. Advertising efforts must have a specific objective. What is that we already learned earlier also. AIDA, creating awareness, interest, desire, and motivate action. In the here, we also have to learn irresistible offer means unique selling proposition. Unique selling proposition means a biggest benefit that we are offering to the prospect. And here we will also learn what our ad objectives of AIDA and usage and functions of a product and information of a product and its benefit. Headline. A powerful headline is either benefit driven, news oriented one, curiosity oriented one, how to do it oriented one. Here, how to do it means creating awareness, orientation to the general public about the information. Here, generally we will say keep it simple and short. Means if you observe alliteration, paradox, rhythm, and it should be fun form. We are not only preparing ad and giving information, we are also entertaining the people. Next, slogan. We all know slogan means a catchy sentence. It creates a distinct and unique image of a company. Slogans are created by a combination of words in a special way to represent a product or a company associated with the brand power. The slogan will give you a lot of power to the brand, especially when we observe the slogans like Boost. Boost is a secret of our energy. Johnson and Johnson, no tears, and Nokia, connecting people. These are the very popular slogans. Copy. Copy where selling message of a written advertisement. It expands form of headline and product shown in an illustration. It should have to focus on benefits and strength of the product of an advertised. Here in the copy, we will also have to look at towards color and its theme, design, shape, and size and illustration. The product and terms how to highlight in the copy also we have to decide over here. Illustration. Yeah, illustration. The illustration can be in form of a photograph, drawing, clip art, graph, and charts. The primary function is to number one, attract the attention. Second, number two, show the product. Then number three, demonstrate functions. And here, types of illustration also there. What are the types of illustration if you look at it? Product itself. Sometimes we have to show only product. Sometimes product features. By showing the product, what are the features of a product, how it will be benefit to the customer. These are the things we have to tell. And apart from that, we also have to talk about the product in use. How to use that product. Some product we have to explain how to use those products. It is those things also we have to learn. Yeah, next, identification. A distinctive symbol associated with a business. Here, what we will say, the three major things are very, very important. One is a name of a business, name of the business of the company that we have to talk. Number two, slogan. Number three, logo. These all are very, very important for every organization. We need to highlight. Here I am showing you one Procter and Gamble, P&G, or Coca-Cola. If you observe Godrej, in the Godrej they will write G very small letter in a differently. These all are the names and logos are very, very important. If you look at it, logos, Mercedes-Benz car logo or MRF logo are very popular one. Huh? Yeah. Next is good ad must have a visual impact. People living in a visual world, it is important to create the impact through use of a color scheme, size, shape, depth, thickness of a font, and considering completing the overall message and target audience, so that not only content we required about this, we also have to about this we have to show a content in a very systematic, in a presentable manner. Yeah, graphics. Using a graphic is an important. It should affect to attract the reader's attention and put them into with a gripping headline, and here persuade them to take action with a copy and tell the story of a brand. Here, when we observe the attracting the reader's attention, what reader want, those attentions nowadays we can attract through graphics. Today, whatever we are observing in television is not reality. It is a graphic behind, and these graphics they generally use to give importance to the towards the headline, and actually these graphics also use and persuade people, to take action. Take action means go and purchase the product for that, and also make a copy. Copy means an advertisement in a very interesting manner. And also apart from that, they will tell the what is the story of that brand, specific story of a brand. Yeah, next one is the perfect placement for audience. The print media chosen depends upon the budget and target audience. A network like television needed needs to have a different look and feel than that appears as quick flash by on a Facebook feed or as a video on the YouTube. But for 15 seconds we are investing nearly 2000 rupees, whereas if you book on the same ad in newspaper, you may get a small ad around 800 to 900 rupees. Television, it is just only 15 seconds it will be available. After that you have to repeat that ad, you have to pay again 2000 rupees extra. So in television ad is appear like a flash, whereas in newspaper it will be there at least for one day. And here, apart from that, at a right timing, that ad have to must be released. And apart from this, a call to action means we request the people to come forward and purchase the product. The ad must persuade audience to take action. Here, advertisement have to uh, very politely we need to invite the customer to purchase the product. Audience guided to instruct, and here not only we are preparing an ad, we are instructing the audience or customers to go and purchase. And here while purchasing we have to give little time limit also, and use with a time limit. That's why we will say use with a time limit. Then use of color. Color printing cost more than the black and white. A full color printing uses a four color like CMYK: cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Actually, for these four colors, for one plate, A4 size plate, it is costing around somewhere around 1600 rupees. Whereas you want to print something in a black and white, you have to invest only 1000 rupees. And black and white ads are cheap compared to color ads. So two color printing is also cheap. If at all we use only two colors, any two colors, or cyan or a magenta or a red or a blue or a yellow or a black, if you use like that, two colors are also print cheap colors option and appropriate to the some application. Yeah. Effective layouts of a final ads. The layouts is a way for all the elements are put together to create a final ad. What are these elements if we observe? A need of a focal point means where we need to concentrate the ad, that is also we have to show, we have to decide. Then picture or a headline, pictures also we have to highlight, and headlines also we have to highlight, and readers eye to on land on it. So whenever the reader looks at an ad, they have to create a interest. How it create interest? When we attract the readers. For this, what we will use? White space, graphic, text elements, a lead, and a theme or lead and a theme sometimes lead them to the copy. Here, company signature also very important. Company signature means who has approved this ad, also very important. Without approval of an advertisement, MD of a company, we are not supposed to purchase, or we are not supposed to telecast or broadcast. Yeah. Here, use of testimonial with a strong guarantee. Testimonials from a real people are powerful and provide a strong guarantee for the product performance. Nowadays we are observing due to corona problem, we are all using Arogya Setu app. If you look at it, Arogya Setu app, who is promoting, Ajay Devgan is promoting the Arogya Setu app. So famous film stars like Amitabh Bachchan or your Mahesh Babu who are coming and advertising, then it is very popular one. So in Arogya Setu we have seen Ajay Devgan. A good advertisement copy. What is good advertisement copy? This is all we learn in our classroom also. As simple, informative, enthusiastic, and concise one, and complete, honest, and penetrating one. Whenever we prepare a copy, it should be very simple. Simple means keep it simple and short. It should be at. Don't write more words and more text. More text won't attract. But here we also have to remember one thing, that is we have to give information. It should be an informative one. We have to give full information, not half information. And enthusiastic one, we need to encourage the customer or a consumer to go and purchase our product. Concise and complete. When we are showing, sometimes very few lines only we are writing, but we have to completely inform about our product to the customer. Then we have to be honest. Don't lie anything. If you talk anything false or misleading one, consumer won't buy your product. And penetrating one, it should penetrate in the market. Means when we are giving advertisement, your product also should be available in the market, and where it is available also you need to inform in your ad. And basic copy of a form. Here if you observe advertisement copy, there are various forms are there. In that, announcement copy, second one is description copy, third one is dramatized, fourth one reminder, fifth one argument, sixth one inducement means a favorable action, and seventh one a composite form of means combine two forms, any two forms, about two forms we can combine and we can show. The qualities of all successful copywriters, if you observe, patience. Patience is very, very important. Writing takes time, and to give a project enough time, a successful copywriter need to possess a quality of patience. That is very, very important here. Then learn. A writer must be able to take a constructive criticism and learn from mistakes. Drive means here discipline are important qualities to look for in a copywriter. Discipline is very, very important. Within the deadline we need to prepare everything and submit to the advertising departments and marketing departments so that they will produce telecast in time. That is very, very important. Then expertise means knowledge about a particular field is also very, very important. We are not born with every knowledge about every field, but we must go and learn it. We have to understand first about that particular field where we are advertising. Then we need to prepare an ad. Then language, here we all know English well and good. Apart from English, we have to learn our mother tongue. That is also very, very important. And we also have to know our Hindi language. That is also very, very important. And trendy, according to the latest trend style, we have to prepare an ad. And you must be a storyteller, good storyteller. Like, you have to be copywriter. In copywriting, we have to tell stories also. Yeah, qualities of an effective copy. For quality, if you observe, message content, what to say. Here, message content, structure, format, and source will be there. Here, content. rational value. Rational means informational value. We have to give a lot of importance. Then emotional value also. Emotionally, we have to try to connect with our consumers. That is very, very important. Then moral values. What all the moral values we have to give a lot of importance, and we speak truth. Then educational values. Educational values means the knowledge about a particular field. That is also very, very important. That should be there in that advertisement. Then instructive value. Here we are not only preparing an ad just to inform or entertain people, but here we are instructing them to use that particular product which we have advertised. Then memorizing the value. Memorizing means repeating it. We need to repeat the advertisements and tell people to use that particular product. And here for this effective copy, there is a proper structure is there. In the structure, the layout, proper layout, and background, and border, text, font, font size, then picture, the picture quality, color scheme. These all also we have to keep in our mind. We have to follow a certain structure. How architects are building the same way we need to build our ad. Then format. There are various formats are there which we need to follow. And source. Who is giving this advertisement? Who is telling? Who is giving this information? That is also we need to spell out. Who is the ad is released or which company? Those things also details we have to give. Yeah, types of copy. When we observe types of copy, institutional copy, descriptive copy, with reason copy, scientific copy, human interesting copy, humorous copy, fear copy, story copy, predictable copy, educational copy, suggestive copy, expository copy, appreciation copy, comparative copy, testimonial copy. Means advertisements can be prepared in these various different formats. Institutional copy, any institution, a college or a school, when they are giving an advertisement, the copy, the way of writing of an advertisement is different. We need to highlight their courses and curriculum, when it will begin, and what are the uniqueness of their curriculum, what is the fee structure. Those things we will highlight in our institutional copy. Then descriptive copy. Descriptive copy, some advertisements you just inform, people won't understand. We need to describe how to use, what is that product, how to highlight that product. These are the things we have to describe. Then next is with the reason copy. Sometimes while showing some reason, we need to encourage certain products like Montex, uh, mosquito repellents are there, mosquito solutions are there. Those solutions, when we are advertising, why we are using that reason also we will tell them. Then scientific copy. Some advertisements are scientific related one, where technology is driven. Those technologies we will talk, and we will prepare an ad. Then some ads are human interesting one, which are required for a daily. Especially we will use this kind of ads in the absurd in the fast moving consumer goods. Then humorous copy, some type of fun should be there in an ad. That is also will attract people. Sometimes fear copy, we need to threaten people. If they won't use that particular thing, it is not safe for their life. So we have to threaten and ask them to use particular product. This is called fear copy. Then story copy, telling a small story, and we also have to talk about our product. Then predicament copy. Then educational copy. Educational copy, we need to educate. Predicament copy means predict what is going to get when they use that particular product. Then suggestive one, sometimes we need to suggest people. You can not only giving information, sometimes we need to suggest consumer which is the best product and how to use it, that best product. Then appreciation one, uh, are you using, sometimes we need to appreciate consumer for using particular product. Well, through appreciation also it will attractive one. Then comparative copy, compare one product with other product. So nowadays we observe Surf Excel or Tide is comparing with each other, and we have observed Rin liquid and Surf liquid. These all are also. Then testimonial ads. Important celebrities like Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Mahesh Babu, Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar. These all are the famous film stars, and sometimes doctors, sometimes engineers, sometimes teachers come in a ad and suggest particular product or particular service to use because they are expert in their field. They are suggesting people believe it and use that products. Thank you for giving me opportunity for this session. uh, Thank you. If you have any doubts, please contact me. uh, Stay home, stay safe, always use mask whenever you go out, maintain social distancing, and follow all government rules and regulations. Take care. Boy, all the best. Yeah, do you have any questions? Okay. Uh, if you have any questions, also you can contact me. Don't post it in the WhatsApp uh, group. Please post it in my personal WhatsApp message where I can clarify your doubts. Huh? Give your response and feedback. It is very, very important. Thank you.